Hello everyone, welcome to Specialist Officer. My name is Ankit Pandey and today in this lecture we are continuing with some important topics from human resource management which are likely to be asked in the IBPS Marketing Officer main examination. Let's start. Strategic Human Resource Management, which is called as SHRM. It means to link the human resource management with the strategic goals and objectives in order to improve business performance. For example, if you want to select marketing officers for banking industry, then you will have to go through a process of recruitment, but you need those candidates who are specialists in that field, those who are good in marketing, those who are good in making marketing strategies. So you are linking your employees with the ultimate goals or the objectives of your organization. Next we have job analysis, job description and job specification which will come after that. Job analysis का मतलब होता है कि एक particular job का पूरा study करना. You have to analyze it. It is a systematic study of jobs to know the nature and characteristics of the people to be employed on various jobs. Job description. So job description includes listing of job title, duties, tasks and responsibilities involved in a job. It is a written statement which describes what the job holder does, how it is done, why it is done, and under what conditions. And next comes job specification. Job specification means to perform that particular job, what specifications you need in that particular employee. अगर कोई accounts का job है तो उसका या तो CA होना चाहिए या फिर MBA in finance होना चाहिए. ये specifications आपका रहेगा. It is basically the criteria for that particular job. So it offers a clear set of qualifications for an individual to be hired for a specific job. It includes education, age, experience, skills, knowledge, work factors, etc. It is called as a byproduct of job analysis. जब आप job को analyze कर रहे होते हैं कि which type of operations or which type of tasks are to be performed, according to that you have to select the appropriate candidates. And how you will get those appropriate candidates? By releasing this job specification. जैसे आपके notification में भी लिखा हुआ होता है. So those are called as job specifications. Gap analysis. It is an analysis needed to fulfill the gap between the individual's current capability and the role profile. यानी जो भी particular role आपको perform करना है आपके job में, उस particular role या उस particular task में और आपके individual capability में क्या gap है, उसको हम analyze करते हैं. That is called as gap analysis. For example, you know everything about accounts, लेकिन उस particular firm का software अगर आपको operate करना नहीं आ रहा है, so what will you do? You need a specific training for that. In this way, you can bridge the gap. That is called as gap analysis. Means you have analyzed कि आपको software की training की ज़रूरत है, तब आप अच्छे से काम कर पाओगे. Next term is job enlargement. Job enlargement means to expand the number of tasks or duties assigned to a given job. It is opposite to work simplification. Work simplification का मतलब होता है कि एक आदमी अगर 10 काम कर रहा है तो आप 3 या 4 लोग रख लो और वो काम आप डिवाइड कर दो. दैट इज वर्क सिंप्लीफिकेशन. बट उसका जस्ट अपोजिट होता है जॉब एनलार्जमेंट. एक ही पर्सन को जो भी जॉब असाइन किया गया है उसमें जो टास्क है, इन एडिशन टू दैट यू आर गिविंग मोर टास्क टू परफॉर्म. दैट इज जॉब एनलार्जमेंट. Job rotation, you know, it is periodically shifting of workers among jobs involving different tasks at similar skill levels. Within your work category, within your job category, आपको rotation दिया जाएगा. अगर आप clerical हैं, maybe in a bank, तो for some time you will have to hold cash counter, for some time you will have to hold fixed deposit section, for some time you will have to hold the CASA, that is saving and current accounts, for some time you will have to hold the loan section or advance section of your bank. So clerical jobs ही हैं लेकिन rotate किया जा रहा है. Then we have job enrichment. What is job enrichment? To provide more challenging task to an employee. Maybe if you are handling cash counter, you will be given with a task that you have to bring at least 10 accounts in a month. तो ये एडिशन रहेगा. तो जितना भी आएगा उसका आपको अलग से कमीशन पे किया जाएगा या फिर you will get some fringe benefits or rewards for that. So apart from your regular work, you are getting an additional challenging task. It involves redesigning jobs so that they are more challenging to the employee. This makes the job interesting and also improves employee motivation because it requires more skills and increased pay. So in job enlargement, we add on the task in your existing job, which may or may not be challenging. But here, to make your job more interesting, some tasks are given to you. That is called as enrichment, not enlargement. So this is a basic difference. Next term is job retrenchment. जॉब रिट्रेंचमेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में बहुत कम होता है, लेकिन प्राइवेट में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इफ़ कंपनी रियलाइजेज कि उनको ज़रूरत नहीं है 100 सेल्स फोर्स की, दे डोंट नीड अ सेल्स फोर्स ऑफ 100 पीपल, सो दे मे रिड्यूस देम टू 50 इन ऑर्डर टू मेक द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मोर प्रॉफिटेबल. उनका सैलरी, उनके सारे फ्रिंज बेनिफिट्स सभी बच जाएंगे, तो कंपनी विल श्योरली मेक सम प्रॉफिट. विदाउट एनी फॉल्ट ऑफ द एम्प्लॉय, they are dismissed from the organization. That is called as job retrenchment. It is a form of dismissal due to no fault of employee. The employer reviews its business needs to increase profits, which leads to reducing its employees. Employee reduce करके profit को increase करना, जिसमें कि employees की कोई भी fault नहीं होती. Next comes agronomics. बहुत आसान सा term है. It is concerned with designing and shaping jobs to fit the physical abilities and characteristics of individuals so that they can perform their jobs effectively. Human resource planning, which is different from human resource management. Human resource management is reactive. Reactive means अब हमने human resource को hire कर लिया है, now we have to manage them. और human resource planning is proactive. यानी human resource को अभी hire नहीं किया है, लेकिन we will make all the arrangements, all the specifications टू चूज द राइट पर्सन. हम हायर करेंगे तो राइट पर्सन को हायर करेंगे हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. दैट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज इंक्लूडेड इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. प्लानिंग इज अ वेरी इनिशियल स्टेप. मैनेजमेंट इज आफ्टर रिक्रूटमेंट. सो HRP, this stands for human resource planning. Remember for the exam, these short forms you must remember. So human resource planning is the process by which an organization ensures that it has the right member, the right number of members, at the right place at the right time, capable of effectively and efficiently completing those tasks that will help the organization to achieve its objectives. These are other names like HRP or human resource planning is also called as manpower planning or employment planning. The next one is Markov's analysis. This method is used for internal HR supply. Employees working within the organization are considered as the most important source of recruitment. So if we study Markov's analysis, we will talk about the internal HR supply. It is a technique of HR supply which shows the percentage of employees who remain in each job from 1 year to the next, and also the proportion of those who are promoted or transferred or exit the organization. So it actually shows the percentage of the employees who remain in each job from 1 year to next year. एक साल के अंदर वो उसी जॉब पे हैं, and also the proportion of those who are promoted or transferred or exit the organization. So total number of employees का कितना proportion promote होता है, transfer होता है या फिर organization छोड़ देता है. So these are some past records which are to be kept within the organization, and then this internal mobility can be forecasted regarding each job based on past movement patterns. इस डेटा के बेसिस पे हम प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं कि कितना इंटरनल मोबिलिटी हो सकता है हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का फॉर ईच जॉब. नेक्स्ट वी हैव HRPS, means Human Resource Planning System. It is a computer based tool which enables a company to fulfill its staffing needs based on past and current trends. So this was very simple. Next is induction और ओरिएंटेशन. इंडक्शन और ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम जब आप किसी नए कंपनी में जाते हैं, इवन इफ़ यू गेट एडमिशन इन अ न्यू कॉलेज, यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ टू ऑल ऑफ योर कलीग्स. इफ़ यू आर इन अ जॉब, you have to introduce yourself with all of your friends or classmates. And also, when you are placed in a company, you have to get familiar with the working culture, the company's rules and regulations, and history of the organization, etc., etc. So that all is included in induction program. So it is a process of acquainting the new employees with the existing culture and practices of the new organization. It includes company history, health and safety, and company policies and procedures. Now coming to internal mobility. What is internal mobility? When your workforce or your employees are moving within the organization. Moving मतलब चल रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं. Either they are getting promoted, demoted, transferred. ये होती है internal mobility. So to move existing employees between employment opportunities within the same organization, to encourage them to seek out new career opportunities within the firm. And next is external mobility. It occurs when employees are not satisfied with their present career in an organization and seek better career opportunities in other organizations. Here in short, we will discuss about the types of internal mobility and types of external mobility. If we talk about internal mobility, then we have two types, vertical mobility and horizontal mobility. Vertical mobility means in different category. The job will be of different category, in promotion or in demotion. And horizontal means within the same category, like transfers etc. प्रमोशन में पता ही है आपको, एग्जिस्टिंग रैंक से आप हायर रैंक पे जाते हैं. डिमोशन तो बहुत ही कम होता है, लेकिन डिमोशन में आपके एग्जिस्टिंग रैंक से आप लोअर रैंक पे चले जाते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज डिमोशन. और हॉरिजॉन्टल में जैसे एक बैंक का असिस्टेंट मैनेजर जो है वो दूसरे बैंक के असिस्टेंट मैनेजर के साथ में इंटरचेंज हो गया, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसफ़र. तो वहाँ पे जो जॉब कैटेगरी है वो सेम रहता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सटर्नल मोबिलिटी. First one is layoff. This is one of the terminologies which you must know. When an employer terminates the employment status of a worker. But this is on temporary basis. After a specific period of time, again the employer will give back the employment status. Next one is resignation, then voluntary retirement, then retrenchment. We have discussed about this. And last one is dismissal or discharge. This you must know. It is a termination from a job for a serious misconduct by a worker. अगर कोई serious misconduct करता है, अगर किसी के ऊपर कोर्ट केस चल गया, किसी ने मर्डर कर दिया या फिर ऐसा कुछ भी misconduct कर रहा है, it is the supreme punishment given to the employee. और इसमें the company or the employer tries that the worker must not get job anywhere. So this is very severe punishment called as dismissal or discharge. Now let's come to types of promotion. First is horizontal promotion. I told you example is transfer, in which the category of job doesn't change. So it involves an increase in responsibility and pay within the same job category. This is another example, like lower division clerk to upper division clerk. The category is same, that is clerical, but it is a promotion. Then we have vertical promotion. It involves change in pay, status, responsibilities and job classification etc. तो इसमें example होगा कि from a probationary officer you can be promoted to assistant branch manager or branch manager of the organization. Then comes dry promotion. It means increase in responsibilities, status without increase in pay. So it is without increasing pay or other financial benefits. You are increasing responsibilities and status of the job. But somewhere it is satisfactory because the status may get changed, but the pay scale or your salary remains the same. Next one is open promotion. All potential candidates are considered for position openings. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स अवेलेबल हैं, जितने भी वर्कर्स एम्प्लॉयज़ अवेलेबल हैं, दे आर ऑल पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट्स. और जो भी प्रमोशनल ओपनिंग्स हुई है या पोजीशन की ओपनिंग्स हुई है उसमें सभी को कंसिडर किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ओपन प्रमोशन. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज क्लोज्ड प्रमोशन, इन विच द कैंडिडेट्स आर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, कि सिर्फ यही कैंडिडेट्स आर एलिजिबल फॉर प्रमोशन. सो व्हेन द कंपनी रिस्ट्रिक्ट द कैंडिडेट्स and does not open positions for all individuals, that is called as closed promotion.